this video, we'll show you how to authorise ArcGIS Server using a license file. Before we start, make sure you have ArcGIS Server license file .prvc ready. First, launch the Software Authorization Wizard on your machine. When prompted, choose the option "I have received an authorization file from Esri and am now ready to finish the authorization process." Browse to the location of the ArcGIS Server .prvc file on your computer and click Next. Next, select Authorize with Esri now using the Internet. Confirm the personal information, such as name and organisation, populated by the license file, and then click Next. Confirm the ArcGIS Server authorization information populated by the license file, and click Next again. Finally, review the information and click Authorize. Wait for the authorization process to complete, and then click Finish once the process is done. Learn more about licensing ArcGIS Enterprise by checking out the ArcGIS Product Licensing Resource Hub on our website.